a lot of pepper. So I'm going to let this boil first, and then I'll add the rest of the stuff. I have kale. I bought some kale, but it don't smell good, so I threw it away. It was in a bag, so it's not fresh. Alright, let's turn this up because it's 2 o'clock, so I've got 2 more hours. Yeah, let's go ahead and put that also. It's good. You know, using radish, the white radish for your soup is really good. It's really good, guys. Alright. Let me cover this up, okay? Alright, just clean the cover. Alright, let it boil it up. And let me clean some of my stuff over here. I need that, I need that. Don't need this. While it's boiling, I'm cleaning the dishes. My kitchen, the sink to be clean constantly when I'm cooking. Because I sure don't want to clean the dishes all at once. So I constantly cook, cleaning and washing the dishes. Alright. I think I'm going to go ahead and end, guys. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end. I don't know what happened to my live, but I've been on live since 10:30 and it's 1:45. But now